So everything is nicely cooked right now. Of course, you can adjust to taste using salt or a little bit of sugar if you like. Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight I'm going to make a Teochew dish, Teochew Pomfret porridge. Now Teochew, I don't know why, I think Teochew likes pomfret quite a lot. I think maybe most Chinese do, except for my wife. But today my wife is not around, so I'm just cooking this dish for this dinner for me and my mother-in-law. So I have Teochew porridge. Usually is you have to cook the rice first, then only you put the rice into hot water. All right, that's the difference. So you manage to still see the grain, the rice grain in your porridge later. So this is approximately, actually I've gotten my mother-in-law to help me to pre-cook this rice. Is approximately slightly, she told me slightly over this measuring cup, half measuring cup. So it's not a lot, but since this is actually going to be white rice, porridge, so it will actually expand, yeah, grow bigger. So and then what? Of course, we have porridge. I have 2 pieces of very fresh porridge here. Pomfret fish. I have 2 very fresh pomfret fish here. As you can see, shiny, very, very shiny. This is probably about 150 grams each, so about maybe 300 grams. So each of us is going to have 1 whole piece of Chinese pomfret. Very nice. Sweet and tender. And then we are going to make the broth, the soup base. This is the ikan bilis. Okay, I put some ikan bilis anchovies into a tea bag. And then we will need some julienne ginger, and also this is fresh coriander roots and the stems. And last but not least, you must put this in. This is the choy. Yeah, any brand will do, but you need to put in choy towards the end. Yeah, pickled veggie towards the end. It looks like this. Oh, you can see it inside. Okay, it looks something like this. So first of all, you need to prepare a pot of boiling water here. I'm putting in about 1.5 liter. The more the merrier, the more is okay, no problem. Okay, now the next thing is we're going to put in the ikan bilis, some of the ginger, and some of the fresh coriander roots and stems. The ginger and the coriander roots is going to help to remove the fishiness, yeah? Not only from the ikan bilis, but also for the pomfret fish later. Then I'm going to, while it is boiling, we will let it boil for approximately about 5 minutes, will be good enough, and then I will move on to let's go and prep the fish. So I've cut the fish into chunks. See the fish just now, it looks very thin, right? But you look at the flesh. Look at the flesh. It is actually very thick, fatty. Look at it. Ooh, look at the cross section. Fantastic, beautiful, fresh. And next thing we are going, after you cut it, you can actually give it a little bit of salt and a few dashes of white pepper. Right, done. We have done prepped the fish. Let's go back to look at our soup. So this is after approximately 5 minutes boiling. Next thing I'm going to add in is the rice. This dish is super easy, but it's super flavorful, especially when you don't have much appetite to eat, yeah? This will goes into your stomach so easily, smoothly as well. And I'll be dipping with some soy sauce and chili padi with the pomfret fish later. Let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, I can actually put in the fish. Whoa, this is luxury, man. And some of the fresh coriander roots. Throw in a little bit more ginger. And some of the choy. Yeah, this is the choy. You will add umami flavor to your soup. Now we can actually add in a bit of salt for seasoning. I'm going to give it a little bit of fish sauce as well. Let's cook this for approximately another 1 to 2 minutes and it is basically done. This is after another 2 minutes. It is basically done. Let me just remove the ikan bilis. You can add a little bit of veggie inside if you like. This is your dinner, do it. There's no rules in Appa kitchen, remember? So everything is nicely cooked right now. Of course, you can adjust to taste using salt or a little bit of sugar if you like. And not forgetting some white pepper, yeah? White pepper will help to remove the fishiness, if any. So here's my Teochew porridge. We're going to garnish it with a little bit more fresh coriander, some ginger. Oh, I'm going to get some fresh coriander. With a bit of greens, a bit more ginger, some fried garlic on top. You can put some fish powder if you have, those Flanders powder. And not forgetting a few dashes of white pepper. Done. This is how simple it is, but very flavorful. I hope you like my very simple dinner today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm going to make a dipping sauce with a bit of light soy sauce mixed with a bit of fish sauce and chili padi. Bye-bye.